Okay, welcome back. Okay, this is step-by-step process of brewing beer. This is a part 2 of the second lecture. Okay, step-by-step process of brewing beer. First, from barley, we turn into malt and undergo mashing process and filtering process, and after that is brewing process. And then the fermentation start in the starter tank, where in the starter tank the liquid was added yeast to go fermentation process, and then after the fermentation process was done, the yeast was removed and the liquids will undergo the aging process. After that, the filtering process, and between filtering and filling process, they added the CO2 in the process of carbonation. And then the product was sealed and crowned, and then pasturing and labeling. Okay, this is a complete diagram of process of making beer, and for this part we like to discuss more about the machine involved in the process of making beer. Okay, the first one is a milling process where they crush the malted barley. Okay, this is a malt mill machine. Second one is a mash mixer to mix all the solid and liquid. Okay, the mash mixer. And then we go for lauterton, where it separate the wort from the solid of a mash. Okay, this is old lauterton and new lauterton. Okay, this is kettle, brewing kettle, where the wort is mixed with hops and boiled together. Okay, these are all kettles and new kettles. Okay, this is a hop dosing machine, where the machine will added the hops in the kettles automatically. Okay, this is a cooling stage, where using plate heat exchange. Okay, this is a wort cooling machine using the plate heat exchange. And this stage, the fermentation process in the fermentation vessels, where they put yeast inside the wort and the fermentation begins. Okay, this is the fermentation process. After the fermentation process ended, the wort will be separated with the yeast using the centrifuge machine. Okay, and then worts will undergo the maturation process inside the maturation tank or the aging cellar. And then the wort will undergo the filtration process. This is a beer filter machine. Before it will bottle using the filler machine. And then the end product will be pasteurized using the conveyor belt pasteurization tunnel to kill all the germ before it will sell to the consumers. This illustration will help you understand more about the step-by-step process brewing inside the factory.